Gym membership is costing you too much money? There may be a less expensive way to go. Two products promise a total body workout without leaving the house.
And it all comes in a box. Consumer Reports put them both to an exercise challenge, and consumer investigator Jen Strathman shows us the results.
A gym workout can feel great, but do you have to drag yourself to the gym to get in shape? Two products, the $200 TRX and the Tower 200 from Body by Jake for $150, promise to give you an effective workout at home. Consumer Reports rounded up 14 panelists to try them.
We had men and women with a range of ages, heights, and fitness levels work out with each product.
The TRX uses your body weight as resistance with exercises that work your entire body. Alternately, Tower 200 uses resistance bands and pulleys to get the job done. Each can be installed on almost any door in your home. Both come with a workout DVD. The TRX's 35-minute video has two variations of each exercise, one for beginners and another more advanced version.
The exercises might be challenging for someone with limited strength, mobility, or flexibility.
And some panelists complained about a TRX exercise where you have to put your feet in stirrups and flip to a plank or push-up position. With the Tower 200, some panelists complained the bands rubbed against their bodies during some of the exercises. Bottom line, the TRX and Tower 200 both deliver effective workouts, but Consumer Reports says TRX has the edge.
The TRX allows you to perform functional exercises at different skills or fitness levels simply by changing your body's position.
At just £2, it's easy to take wherever you go. On your side, Jen Strathman, News Channel 5.